Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you how to prepare Sangtache Ambot Tik, that is sour and spicy catfish curry. So let's see how we prepare it.
Clean the catfish by cutting its fin, cleaning its gut, wash them and marinate with salt and keep aside for 30 minutes. Make the masala by grinding dried red chilies, ginger, garlic, cloves, cinnamon, cumin seeds, turmeric and water. Heat oil in a vessel, add onion and saute till light brown. Add tomatoes and fry till it's mushy. Then add the ground masala along with the residual water to make a good gravy and stir well till the rawness from the masala goes away. Add kokum, salt, sugar, tamarind pulp and catfish and cook for 10 to 15 minutes and then switch off the gas. You all can add little vinegar if you prefer. Enjoy catfish curry with steamed rice.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Till then, we'll meet next time in my next video.